Would you like to have an advanced system to monitor your macOS just like this one? As you can see, we have the internet speed, we have CPU usage, we have memory, and we also have battery, and you can even customize that to a lot of extent. So let's check it out, iStat Menus, which is a great application and an advanced system monitoring app for your macOS. Hey, Shivam here, and you can check out the discount link on the iStat menu in the description below. First up, let's talk about what iStat menu is. So as you just already saw, it's an advanced system monitoring app that can monitor everything going on your computer, be it your internet speed, your CPU, weather updates, you have battery, RAM, and much more. We'll check out each and everything in a second. So what it does, it gives you all these things in the menu bar from where you can monitor everything. Obviously, you can customize it according to your preferences, but just to give you a demo, here is my internet speed, then we have CPU usage, then I have battery, and then you have the memory. Right now I have set it to compact, and you can have full-fledged as well. But this has a lot of applications and use cases. For example, if you are a power user and you would like to know how much CPU and memory are being used by the system, also you might be creating a package or you might be exporting a video, then you can see your CPU and RAM usage right here, and if it goes back down, then it might be exported or there might be some error. And if you are a gamer, then it's also helpful there. Everyday user will also find the fan settings, the weather update, the battery percentage helpful as well. So those are the usefulness of this app. Let's get to the setting and see what it has to offer. So this is the setting. So first up, we have the appearance. You can set it to whichever color and appearance you like. So you have multiple options right here. Right now I have set it to dark. Then you have these two options at the bottom: update frequency, how frequent you want them to update, and then you have the menu bar spacing. Do you want standard or compact? Right now it's at standard. If you set it to compact, yeah, you can see looking nice, I would say. Then you have notification settings. So you can set your custom notifications like show an alert when battery is low. You can change it to whatever you like, show and see a banner, CPU menu, memory menu, disks, network, or anything. Then you can set the event trigger, and here it is. You can change that to whatever you like. You can also add more rules if you would like to, like show a banner when your CPU usage is about 50% for 30 seconds. So it will pop up a notification. So that's there. That's quite helpful, I would say. Like if you are doing some crucial work and you want a notification if the battery go below 25%, that you can set this custom rule right here. Then you have weather updates. Here it is. You can change the location. You have changing of units. So any of these can be turned on or off from here. Like if you don't want the weather, you can turn it off. So that's the option there. Next, we have the CPU. As you can see, we have enabled CPU and GPU, and you have all these color options to customize. Then you have processor count right here, and it will show something like this. Now if I click on here, you can see all the system usage, your CPU core usage, the efficiency core and the performance cores. Then you have all the processes, you have GPU usage as well, and then you have the load and uptime. So that's quite helpful, I would say, for developers, for gamers, and for power users to check out the CPU. And then there's also this memory that is also helpful. So you have the memory usage right here. You can check that here. So you have 7% pressure and 29% memory is being used. Then you have what is using how much amount of RAM, and you have the processes as well. Similarly, you have disk space. This is also useful, especially for video editors who have a lot of content and data on their system. Along with that, you can also set a notification to notify you when the storage is going low, and then you can just easily clear the cache and make some space to keep your macOS running smoothly. And if you move forward, similarly, we have network, then we have fan, then we have power. Here you can see the battery and the health, and then we have time. You also have time. You can set it right here. You can just turn these off, and you can just enable the iStat menus, time, and the battery as well. And lastly, we have combined. We can just make it a combined one. Let's just turn it on, and you just simply create a combined one. Like you have a weather, then you have everything. You can just create your own, and it will act as a single item. And then you can use the bartender app to easily customize this as well. By the way, we also did a video on that. You can check it out from the channel. So those were each and every bit that you can customize, and this app is quite lightweight. If you install it, you won't notice the system going slow. I've been using this for quite some time, and I haven't noticed any performance because of this app. So it's quite lightweight, and you can use it on any system. But that's being said, let's talk about the pricing and how much it costs. So there are two ways to buying this app. I would tell you the both and my personal favorite one. So first step is buying through the iStat Menus website, that is B Django. So if you click on buy, you have two options. You can buy it single license for $12, and then you have family license that is for $15. So that's the option that they serve. So it's a one-time purchase, so you buy it once and use it forever. And then there's second way, and my personal favorite one that I use to get this app, and that is through setapp. The concept here is quite simple. This is a platform that has a lot of useful applications for macOS and for iOS as well, including Clean My Mac, Bartender, Permute, Paste, and a lot of useful applications. So the thing is, instead of buying a lot of subscription for these apps and paying for one-time purchases, what you have to do is just get this single subscription, and it's quite inexpensive, and you have access to all these applications. So I like it, and here is the pricing. So the plan starts for $10 per month, that is for one Mac device. If you have an iOS device as well, then you can go with this plan, which is $12.49, and that is for one macOS and 4 iOS devices. And if you are a power user, then this is the plan, $15 for 4 macOS and 4 iOS devices. You also have annual subscription that gives us 10% of discount, so this plan comes at $9 per month. So we just have to pay this one to get all the applications in the marketplace. I'll just show you. There are a lot of them, even VPNs, see Bartender, Clean X. We also did the video on that. There's Paste, there's iStat menu, you have new arrivals, they're always adding new applications. You can easily browse this website and see if you are liking it so far. You even have Nitro PDF, that's nice. Yeah, I would like to cover that on the channel. Now I will. So make sure you are subscribed and you will get a notification on that. But that's there. And the good thing is that they also offer 7 days of free trial. So you can give it a shot, try the applications for free and see if you like it or not. Now the link for the trial in the description below. Make sure you check it out. But that's been it for today. I hope you like this video. What are your thoughts about the iStat menu? Let me know in the comments below. Now if you would like to check out the X, the best screenshotting app for macOS, then this video will be helpful. And if you are looking to have an infinite clipboard on macOS just like Windows, then there you go, even better than Windows. But that's been it. Like, share, subscribe, stay safe. Bye bye.